Hey guys, I'm leaving for Asia in about 5 hours, but a lot of you guys were asking on Instagram what I take with me for my grooming routine, so I'm gonna show you. What's up guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. I'm George. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Today we are going to talk about what is in my travel Dopp Kit. So guys, I'm talking a little bit quieter today because it is about 3 in the morning and I'm filming this video for you guys. So in about 6 hours I will be on a plane on my way to the Philippines. But I'm going to show you what is in my grooming Dopp Kit. There's a lot of stuff in this tiny thing, but first let's talk about the Dopp Kit. So this is just a little travel Dopp Kit from Tumi. I've seen this in Marshalls and Ross, and it doesn't have the Michelin logo because this was a gift from Michelin, but this thing holds a surprising amount of stuff, as you will see. So here we go. Compartment wise, there's a bigger compartment for kind of larger stuff, and then kind of individual 2 other pockets that fit, you know, a little bit of everything else. So let's go with the big side first. We'll get the big stuff out of the way. We have a Remington beard trimmer. So, you know, I don't really shave, you know, I kind of trim up my neck, but I don't really shave all that much. I just kind of keep everything tidy and nice. And this battery lasts quite a long time. So I don't bring the charger with me, and I just hope that it makes it. I don't do, you know, trimming every day. It's every other day or every few days. So Remington trimmer. Kiehl's deodorant. It's a nice little roller ball, roll-on deodorant. Good stuff. Also small size. Oars and Alps cleansing face stick. So this basically is just like a little charcoal. It's not even a lotion. You just kind of dab it on your face, scrub it in, and then wash it off. Works really, really well, and it is really, really small. And up next on the list, we have this Oars and Alps Wake Up Eye Stick. And basically it's just a metal roller ball that you just kind of roll on, and, you know, gives your eyes that extra lift in the morning, which most of us need, especially when you're on vacation, because, you know, long nights and whatnot. And then I have an original pomade from Paul Mitchell. This stuff, you know, gets the job done. Nothing special. Any pomade will do. And then I have Baxter lip balm. And then I have a toner. This one is from Yonka. Just got it in the mail, but it is just kind of, you know, I spray this on before I moisturize. And last but not least, on this side, I just have a few little things like Dayquil, you know, Tylenol, whatever. This is like a muscle, kind of like Bengay, but just bio-free, so it's just the cold part of it. And then, you know, baby wipes. Can't go wrong with those. All right, on to the other side, guys. As you can see, I have a lot of Oars and Alps stuff in here. This is their face moisturizer. So I have the cleansing stick, the Wake Up Eye Stick, and the moisturizer. And Oars and Alps is the sponsor for today's video. Not just kidding, guys. I just really like Oars and Alps. Not sponsored. And then on this side, we have toothpaste. Could probably get a travel one, but I'm gonna be gone for like 3 weeks, so figured I'd bring the full size. And then I also have another deodorant, regular Degree on there for, you know, I don't know why I have 2 deodorants in here, actually. I think I just overpacked. But I have the Kiehl's one and the Degree. And then toothbrush. My mom actually got me this one. It's like a nice travel, so it doesn't get dirty and germy, but it's also electronic. So that's a plus. And then last but not least, oh no, 2 more things. I have a little mini comb, which hopefully I usually try to rely on, you know, hotels I stay at for the shampoo, the conditioner. I don't bring my own. I don't really, you know, it doesn't make too much of a difference for a few weeks. So I try to travel as light as I can. And, you know, sometimes they don't have combs, so a baby comb helps, but I always try to call down and ask and see if they can bring something up. And last but not least, for real, I have 2 scents from Scentbird. This is Tom Ford and Third Man. So, you know, something for the day, something for the night. And that is my Dopp Kit, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I am off to Asia. If you want to follow me on my travels, follow me at Gent's Lounge or at Atlas and Mason, and you guys can follow me along to the Philippines, Singapore, and Hong Kong. If you guys have any suggestions on where to go in any of those places, leave me a comment down below. I will be on an airplane in about 6 hours, so I will get to these comments as soon as I have Wi-Fi and find some internet. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. This is what I travel with for real. And yes, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Sorry, I'm a little delirious because it is 3:13 in the morning, but I'm gonna go edit this video now and have it up for you by 9 a.m. So cheers, guys.